Hi, I'm Laura from Landscape Garden Centers, and today we're talking about hanging baskets. Hanging baskets are great for really any part of your yard, sun or shade, and they are literally ready to go when you get home. You can take this basket, hang it in your favorite spot on your porch or on your patio, and enjoy it for the entire season. At Landscape Garden Centers, we do grow 100% of the hanging baskets that we sell right here in our own greenhouse space. What we really like about our container is that they're very sustainable, made of recycled paper products, and actually compostable at the end of the season. This is just one of many hanging planters that we have available this spring, so be sure to stop in and visit with any of our plant enthusiasts.